Hello guys, this is Shraddha Thakkar here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Biology with Shraddha. This video will help you understand what is Erythroblastosis fetalis. So let's get started. First you need to know what exactly is this RH factor. The RH factor was discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener. Now, this is mainly dependent on the presence and absence of the D antigen on the RBCs. It was first discovered on the RBCs of the rhesus monkey. Therefore, the name RH factor. So, as you can see here, if the RBCs of the person has the RH factor present, then the blood group is said to be positive. So in the first case, as you can see here, this is the RBC which has the A antigen, the B antigen, and also the RH factor which is shown by the black color here. Therefore, this blood group is AB positive. In the second case right here, this RBC has the antigen A, has the antigen B, but does not have the RH factor, that is the D antigen. Therefore, the blood group is AB negative. Similarly, if you consider this case over here, this is the RBC which has only the RH factor present on it. No other factor or no other antigen is present here. Therefore, this blood group is O positive. And in this case here, there are no antigens present, neither the RH factor nor the A or the B antigen. Therefore, this blood group is O negative. Now let us understand what is this erythroblastosis fetalis. It's also known as the hemolytic disease of the newborn. Now this occurs when an RH negative mother conceives an RH positive fetus. So let us understand this in details now. In this diagram, in the first case, when a mother which is RH negative conceives her first baby which is RH positive, there is a chance that this baby is going to transfer, or the RBCs of this fetus will come in contact with the mother's blood, and since the mother is RH negative, she will produce RH antibodies against the baby's blood. Now, this is fine during the first case because it is going to come in contact with the mother only during the childbirth. But now the antibodies are already present, and when this mother conceives an RH positive fetus again, that is during her second pregnancy, the antibodies for RH, that is the D antigen, they are already present in the mother's blood. And via placenta, these antibodies can enter the fetus. And since these antibodies are specific for the RH factor on the RBCs of the fetus, they will react, they will bind, and will lead to hemolysis of the baby's RBCs. So this is what is hemolytic anemia, also known as the erythroblastosis fetalis. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you really have, then please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel Biology with Shraddha, please do that as soon as possible. And if you are interested in more such concepts, or if you want to understand these topics more in detail, please join into my free special classes on Unacademy. I have provided the links and the details of all my classes and also my Telegram group in the description box below. So please do comment and let me know if you've liked my videos and if you would like to join me on Unacademy. Thank you.